Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here the Narborin system is given. It has bridged heat on. Here you have to find number of signal in the C13 spectra. You have to analyze the carbon structure and find the number of signal. Here the answer lies in the symmetry. Before finding the NMR signal, you should know how many symmetry elements are present here. Here mirror plane symmetry is there. It can reflect perfectly on either side. The symmetrical plane is on the carbonyl group, so it's sp2 group, so it is on the plane. It reflects on either side. So bridged carbon is same, it is B, and the side carbon is A, and the bridged carbon is C there. So totally 3 NMR signals. So the concept you outline here is the compound with symmetrical element has less signal. The compound with less symmetrical element has more signal. So symmetry and signals are opposite to each other. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.